Today we are discussing the nutritional value of bell peppers. Bell peppers are packed with vitamins and minerals, especially when you choose the colorful varieties. They're an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as fiber. In fact, did you know that bell peppers contain more vitamin C than oranges? This vitamin is crucial for a healthy immune system and can help your body fight off illness. Bell peppers are also known for their antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. The high levels of vitamin C in bell peppers play a significant role in this. Antioxidants can help you maintain healthier skin, boost your metabolism, and slow down the aging process. If you're looking to manage your weight, bell peppers are a great choice. They are low in calories but high in fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied. Plus, the vibrant colors in bell peppers are a sign of their phytonutrient content, which can promote fat loss and a healthier metabolism. Bell peppers are a fantastic option for maintaining good eye health. Consuming bell peppers regularly can reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Another benefit of bell peppers is their positive impact on heart health. The high levels of potassium in bell peppers can help regulate your blood pressure, reducing the risk of hypertension and cardiovascular disease. The fiber content also helps lower cholesterol levels. One of the best things about bell peppers is how versatile they are in the kitchen. You can enjoy them raw in salads, sautéed in stir-fries, or roasted in various dishes. Their sweet and slightly tangy flavor adds a delicious twist to your meals. Their rich nutritional content, antioxidant properties, and numerous health benefits make them a fantastic choice for your diet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content.